Now we have another important example. Find all points of discontinuity of the function fx is equal to mod of x plus 3 if x is less than equal to minus 3, minus 2x if x is greater than minus 3 but less than 3, and 6x plus 2 when x is greater than equal to 3. To check for the discontinuity, we have the breaking points here minus 3 and 3. That means we have different 5 cases. First one, when x is less than minus 3. Second case, in between minus 3 and 3, minus 3 and 3. And third case, when x is greater than 3, when x is greater than 3. Fourth case, particular at x is equal to minus 3. And fifth case, at x is equal to 3. That means at these 5 cases, we have to check for the continuity. In the first 3 cases, you have to see this. At x is less than minus 3. When x is less than minus 3, it means fx is equal to mod of x plus 3 according to this. Mod of x plus 3, and here x is less than 3, and therefore this function becomes minus x plus 3, which is a polynomial function and therefore continuous. You have to write this, which is polynomial and therefore it is continuous. And in the second case, minus 3 is less than x is less than 3. In this case, fx is equal to minus 2x. Minus 2x, which is again polynomial, therefore it is continuous. And third case, when x is greater than 3, when x is greater than 3, fx is equal to 6x plus 2, which is again polynomial, therefore it is continuous. You have to write these lines. Is it clear? And now to check at particular point minus 3 and 3. Fourth case, at x is equal to minus 3. For this particular value minus 3, that means we have to find left hand limit, right hand limit and the value of the function. For the left hand limit, we have limit x tends to minus 3 negative fx. That means limit x tends to minus 3 negative. For minus 3 negative less than minus 3, the function is mod x plus 3. Mod of x plus 3. That means you can write this as limit x tends to 3 negative minus x plus 3, and then limit h tends to 0 minus of minus 3 minus h plus 3, that is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Is it clear? That is the same way, that is we have to find the left hand limit we have done earlier. And now right hand limit. Right hand limit, that means we have limit x tends to minus 3 positive fx. For minus 3 positive, for the minus 3 positive यानी कि minus 3 से greater, for minus 3 से greater के लिए हमारे पास function क्या है minus 2x, and therefore it becomes limit x tends to minus 3 positive minus 2x. That means here the substitution, limit h tends to 0 minus 2 into minus 3 plus h, and that again you will get 6. And now value of the function f minus 3. F minus 3, the function is minus 2x. Equality sign is there in between minus 3? No. Equality sign is there. X is less than equal to minus 3. The function is mod of x plus 3. And therefore substitute the value minus 3 here. Then it becomes mod of minus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. It means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function, and therefore this function is continuous at x is equal to minus 3. And now at x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3, left hand limit. For the left hand limit, the function is this one, minus 2x. 3 say less, function is minus 2x. And therefore, it becomes limit x tends to 3 negative fx, that is equal to limit x tends to 3 negative minus 2x. And therefore, it becomes minus 3 minus 2 into 3, that is equal to minus 6. And now right hand limit. Right hand limit x tends to 3 positive fx. For 3 positive, that means greater than 3, the function is 6x plus 2. Substitute here. It becomes limit x tends to 3 positive 6x plus 2, and therefore you will get 6 into 3 plus 2, that is equal to 20. It means left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, and therefore limit x tends to 3 fx does not exist. When this limit does not exist, therefore it is not continuous, it is discontinuous at x is equal to 3. That means x is equal to 3 is the only point of discontinuity.